I now call on Councillor Hopley to speak. You have no more than 3 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Mayor. The budget that we have before us tonight disproportionately impacts the most vulnerable and the poorest in our borough. Those who are sick, those who are mentally ill, those who are disabled, and those who rely on council services and who struggle to navigate their way through daily life. This Labour administration has chosen to make these decisions and has chosen to bring the axe down on desperate residents who are still trying to get through COVID. And in some cases, they haven't left their homes for nearly a year. It is these residents who are unable to care for themselves, who are in receipt of complex care packages and support, who are going to be hardest hit. Some 7,000 residents will see their care packages impacted in some way. But what is most disturbing, Councillor Campbell, is the impact this will have on 2,500 residents who are in receipt of complex care. There will be a focused attention on these service packages because it is these residents who I am informed cost you the most. Why should they pay for your bankruptcy? The numbers are astounding. Some 20% is expected in savings across these packages. And to put that into some context, savings of 17 million for 2021, 10.7 million in 2022 and 9.5 in 2023 are the headline figures in the People's area. The overspend in adult social care in Q3 alone is 21.3 million. We have already seen savage cuts to departments supporting these residents, such as the abolition of the Disability Employment Team and the Welfare Rights Team. The CATS Transportation Service, who supported elderly residents who were housebound, have had their buses taken away because their funding's been cut. Even care beds are to be removed for those sick residents discharged from hospital. Don't bother calling the contact centre if you're in trouble, because the support service is also going to be cut. And if you're housebound and feel isolated and nobody's going to help you and you want to contact the voluntary sector, they too are having cuts. Adults in the Peter Sylvester Centre will also see it close, and there's great uncertainty about their future provision. If this Labour administration think that health partners are going to bail you out of your problems, or the voluntary sector who are expecting further cuts, you're mistaken. Why should they pay for your bankruptcy? Despite receiving a capitalisation directive of £120 million from the Conservative government, you persist in your attack on the borough's most vulnerable. Well, Councillor Campbell, I think it's outrageous. They should be supported, and I, for one, will oppose this dreadful budget. Thank you.